right. Sure did. So you see your security light right there? It's like a red light. Yeah. The car won't start with that on. See that? That's not on. Shouldn't it be on? How does that work? Or you got to press the button for it to be on?
Press the button.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Outback. What year? 2010?
2008.
8. Okay. There's our security light. It's like this red light right there. Just shut off. So it should say success here in a second. Once that security light shut off. Okay, I think it's good. If you want to
try starting it.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I'll let you try to start it. Cool. That's a long one.
Yeah, it is.
Perfect.